Good morning, I'm Emily Grimes, co-author of Teasers and Appeasers, an hors d'oeuvre cookbook. Today, my friend Mouseter Chef and I will be sharing my grandmother's old recipe with you. It's one of my favorites, and I call it Nana's Pickled Shrimp. Good morning, Mouseter Chef.
Good morning, Emily. I'm really looking forward to this recipe from your grandmother's recipe collection.
Nana's Pickled Shrimp are delicious, easy to assemble, and can be kept covered in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 pounds of medium or large cooked shrimp. You can buy them already cooked, but I prefer to buy uncooked shrimp, cook them in boiling water, flavored with Old Bay seasoning, and rinse them in cold water and carefully peel them.
Emily, from a nutrition standpoint, shrimp is a good source of protein and vitamins, and it also contains healthy omega-3 acids.
That's a great tip, Mouseter Chef. For the marinade, you'll need 1.5 cups of vinegar, 1/2 cup canola oil or vegetable oil, 2.5 teaspoons celery seed, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 3 peppercorns, 8 cloves, 2 cloves minced garlic, 2 bay leaves, and 2.5 teaspoons of capers. Stir these ingredients together carefully. Then add 1 thinly sliced onion. I prefer to use sweet onions, and alternately add the shrimp with the onions. Mix everything together thoroughly. After this is all mixed together thoroughly, you'll want to cover it and leave it in the refrigerator. I prefer to make it 1 or 2 days in advance. The longer you marinate all these ingredients together, the more the shrimp pick up all the nuances of the different spices. When you're ready to serve the pickled shrimp, you'll want to remove the cloves, peppercorns, and bay leaves. I now have a drained mixture in front of me, and I'm going to put the shrimp, including the marinated onions, on the serving platter. You'll find that your guests enjoy snacking on the onions almost as much as they enjoy snacking on the shrimp. And I like to include some of the capers too, because it gives a touch of color to the plate.
Emily, as you know, as Mouseter Chef, I'm willing to share any of my recipes. But do you know why my friend the Shrimp Chef does not share his recipes with anyone?
No, Mouseter Chef, I can't imagine why Shrimp Chef won't share recipes.
It's because he is a little shellfish.
Oh, that's too funny. This recipe is great as an appetizer, and it's also great salad entree. It's fun to take to parties because you can plate it before you go and have it all ready to set out when you get there. Be sure to have toothpicks ready. They'll be needed. Bon appetit from Emily and Mouseter Chef.